Here's our house, and it's early in the melt, and I gotta tell you, I was just really excited to see, oops, I'm bumping into the car, to see this much grass, and it's just great. I haven't seen this much grass in, I think, since October, so that made me very happy. There's the dogs. I'm on the front walk doing a 360. That's where the horses are. Look, grass. Even if it's brown, I don't care. It's grass. I'm standing up on a hill, little hill, that we have in our farmyard, and all the dirt came out of that hole. So when they dug that hole, and that's called a dugout, and they put it in a low spot in the land, and all the dirt they put here, so now we have a hill. So now this is east. So there's the dugout, there's the bale stack, this is south. And you can see we're halfway through the melt, and I'm excited again. There's the corrals, and that's where we have a shoot and do the ear tagging and inoculations. There's the barn, this is east. And then there's the house and the truck and the couple of grain bins and the shop. It's where we park the buses when we have a bus to park. Okay, so now this is about north. This is a little dugout. It used to be up for the pigs. Dale's just thinking we need to fill it up because that slough beyond the dugout is where you raft when you're 10. So he hasn't rafted there for a while. We haven't probably had that much water for 10 years, so I keep teasing him, asking him when's the dugout going to be built. So this is about looking east. You can see there's a horse beyond. Let's see, can I zoom? I guess I can't zoom. Trying to zoom. No zoom in movie. There's a horse, and he's the stud. He's Carmelo. And then there's some cattle and calves in front of that. So that's east, and there's the dugout again. Yeah, that's the farm from the hill. Oh, that's a shelter. Cattle shelter. So he fills that area around there really well with straw and everything, and that's where the cows go in bad weather, and lots of calves. Well, they're not really born there, but they get there soon after they're born. Yep, that's it. We're south. Oh, about there. This is how you work with round bales when you don't have the equipment. So he's got a round bale that he loaded on a stone boat, and then he's pulling the stone boat with the tractor with the bale on it. So he'll take it out to the cattle, and you can see that pry bar sticking out of the bale, and then there's a strap, a tow strap on top, and he uses those to get it off. Oh, he seems to be, he's doing a Chris. He's waving out the window while he's driving. Chris, you now have competition. Yeah, oh, can I unzoom? No. Oh, there's the horse and the foal. I just saw them coming into the picture here. Foal is just running around like crazy, which is a good thing. Let's go here, Mom. Let's go there. Let's do this. Let me run. I'm a horse. I like to run. Pretty cute. Dale says he's bucking a lot, so that's probably good. Here's the dugout from the east end of the dugout instead of the west end, and that hill just on the other side is where I was taking the other picture. So now we're over here because Dale's feeding the cattle, and he put the stone boat with the bale through that track. He didn't get stuck, which was a good thing, but I did wonder. And there he is. He's getting close to the cattle, so he's going to stop, and then he's going to get the bale off the stone boat. That's next. So he just got out of the tractor, and he unhitched the stone boat, and now he's going to move the tractor in position so that he can pull the bale off the stone boat. He'll have, with the rope tow that's attached to the pry bar. I mean the tow rope, not the rope tow. So he's hitching the tow rope up to the tractor. And putting it on. Oh, it's already on the pry bar. And the cows are seeing that dinner has arrived. Now Dale's back in the tractor and he's gonna pull the bale over. Uh-oh, that happens too. He'll have to go reconnect. Here we go again. Try number 2. Success! Yay! So now he'll unhitch that and hitch the stone boat back up again and go back into the yard. Now he's going to be heading back to the yard. So what's really fun is to ride on the tow boat after there's no hay on it. It's pretty fun when there is hay, but afterwards is fun. So I'm going to see if I can't hitch a ride. Okay, now here I am ready to go. There's the farmer, and I'm hitched up to the stone boat.
Through the water down there.
What?
Through there.
We will not drive through the water. We will not take the wife on the stone boat through the water. Okay, he's waxing creative now, so I'm going to turn it off. Here's some other animals up close and personal. And we're never quite without the dogs. Hi, Moki. Hi. We're riding on the stone boat. Woohoo! Go fast! Therapy.
I'm holding them up.
I guess. Have you got both his front feet?
No.
Just one.
But he's really leaning on me. Got his foot in my pocket. Got your foot in my pocket.
Another pet.